Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Marissa Ray. Thank you so much for watching this video. So today I am attempting to do some stitch braids on myself. They kind of came out like stitch braids, but not perfect, you know. I'm doing it on myself, so it's not easy to get those little parts absolutely perfect, but you know what, it still came out super cute and we made it work. So y'all know I am starting off by parting my hair. It's freshly washed and blow dried. I am parting my hair using the Shine and Jam, the orange container, and I am perfecting these parts, okay, for the braid. Stitch braids in any cornrow hairstyle, even for feed-in braids, you have to make sure your prep is absolutely perfect. So using that Shine and Jam or some kind of gel to slick the hair, make it easy for you to grip and also lay those flyaway hairs in place. That is the key to getting you a perfect, beautiful braid, okay? So I'm just parting out the little splits in the front of the braid as far down as it's kind of visible, if that makes sense. You'll kind of see what I'm saying later. But I just began braiding like a normal cornrow. And if you don't know how to cornrow, just pay close attention to my fingers and hopefully that will help you out. But I'm just basically pulling one side of the braid and putting it under my other finger, under the other hand. It's kind of hard to explain, but I started off with, you know, one little section in the front and split it into 3 pieces and just started braiding hand under hand. So piece under piece, all the way down to the end of my hair, okay? Piece under piece all the way down to the end. And I'm just trying to grip the hair as good as I possibly can with the little parted sections to make it neat and kind of form that stitch braid, okay? So when I filmed this, the first day or two, it did look a lot like stitch braids. And you will see that once I actually complete the braids. But like the end of the video and the beginning of the video, as you saw, they didn't really look as much like stitch braids because that had maybe been about 3 days later that I was able to actually film the intro and the outro, just because life is life and things happen. So yeah, once I get to the back of my head, it's no more looking like a stitch braid. It's really just looking like cornrows. But y'all, when I tell you, it's still such a super cute style. I can't even talk, but a very super cute style. And especially adding those cute little buns. I didn't add any extensions. I just used my natural hair and just wrapped them in 2 cute little buns, and it was so adorable. I love this hairstyle so much. I would definitely be doing it again. But yeah, I'm just sealing the end of the braid with a rubber band, and I'm going to continue. So I had 6 braids, yeah, 3 on each side. So that's just what I'm doing throughout the entire head, you guys. Making sure I'm using that Shine and Jam to slick it really good. That makes it extra crispy. And it just makes the braid form better. And it really did help with the stitch in the beginning. Although it doesn't look like it as much days later, it really, really looks good in the beginning. And I love the hairstyle. So I'm just going to let you guys continue watching me do this side of my head, and I will come back. I do want to mention, y'all, that this 3-way mirror that I have behind me is literally my holy grail when it comes to braiding my own hair. It helps me to see the back of my head from 3 different angles. So I will leave the link to that down in my description box. Also, all of my products and tools that I use for braiding is on my Amazon storefront page. Again, the link will be in my description, so make sure you check that out. Okay, we are all done and the hair came out so freaking cute. As you see, you guys, I told you it looks a lot like Stitch Braids right in the beginning, but days later it just didn't. So I am now using some oil. Any kind of hair oil will do, just to moisturize my scalp, even though I did previously moisturize it and my hair. I'm just adding more oil to my scalp, and then I'm going to add some Creme of Nature foam mousse to the braids to just let them set in and put a scarf on. All of my products and tools that I use, again, will be listed in the description box below. Also, all of these products and my tools that I like to use, my braiding essentials, are listed on my Amazon storefront. So I will leave the link to my Amazon page in the description as well. You guys can check that out and shop from my page. I have so many things, even fashion, home essentials, all type of stuff, you guys. It took me probably about 2 hours to complete this hairstyle, but other than that, very simple. So I really appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you follow me on all my social media pages, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.